Okay, so for you to perform this, you're gonna need the Queen of Spades, which has a normal back, and you're gonna need the blank card, which has a normal back. So you're gonna hold the two cards together and like this. You're gonna use your pinky finger to hold this corner, and you're gonna use your pointer finger, and you're gonna use your thumb at this corner. All I have to do is to shake. Then while turning your hand, you're gonna use your pointer finger to turn the card like this. Let me show you this again. You're gonna hold the card like this. While shaking the card, you're gonna use your pointer finger to turn the card like this. Then you'll be in this position. And let me try this again in slow motion. All I have to do is to shake. Then you're gonna turn the card. Then you're ready to go. Okay, so for you to perform this, you're gonna need a blue card, and you're gonna need the rest of the decks to be red. And you're gonna take the blue card, you're gonna place it on top. Then you're gonna use your left hand to push the card in the bottom, and you're gonna clap it with your right hand. And all you have to do is to wave, then the card will change. And let me show you this again. You're gonna push the card with your two fingers, then you're gonna hold it with a tiny palm. Then you're gonna wave your hand like this. And let me try this again. You push, then you'll be in this position, and you wave your hand, then the card changes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more magic tutorials.